die too young. 100 miles per hour, might smash if the kid die young. The kid die young. Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'm a big place, I'm a name in the stone. I'm a name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. I'm a name in the stone.
Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you my Recpro 15,000 BTU roof AC install on my cargo trailer. So I got this trailer used. I'm not too sure what they had here, some kind of AC unit or vent, but I went ahead and replaced the plywood in the last video, and I already added some braces in between, my cross braces, 1x1 on the inside, also in the previous video. If y'all haven't seen that one yet, y'all should go check it out. But I already have my center hole marked. So what I gotta do is do 14 by 3/16 holes, or square. So we gotta do 14 and 3/16 this way and 14 and 3/16 this way. Both ways are gonna be pretty easy. The hole in the sheet, the aluminum sheath is like 12 by 12. So we're gonna have to cut it into the metal some too. And then once we get that done, we can start laying down our seal, cleaning up the metal, laying down our seal, and installing the unit. So what I'm gonna do is cut out this square pretty much, and then that way I can get a visual of what I'm cutting all the way through. So we gotta cut through 2 layers of plywood because I got 1/2 inch plywood in the ceiling now. All right, I got the pilot hole in this one, so we're gonna start drilling the hole. Once you have your hole cut, it's time to clean. I just barely had enough room in between my cross members, so I had to cut the lip off of them on both sides. And then I just followed this edge of the metal all the way. Those are my 1x1s I put in there, right here. So now what we do next is clean the surface, put our gasket down, and then seal our gasket, let that dry for a little while, and then we can come back and put your AC unit down. Now I'm just gonna wipe it down with some soapy water. And I wanna make sure the surface is dry. So I'm gonna heat it up real quick. Now that the hole is nice and clean and silicone, it's time to bring the AC unit up here. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth out the silicone some with my finger in between the gap, just to kind of make sure it seals good. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our duct and our sandwich plate. Now that we got the silicone smooth, we're gonna go ahead and put our AC duct. It only goes one way. Now that that's in there, we can go ahead and put our sandwich plate. Now I'm gonna finish it with the ratchet, just so I don't over tighten them, because all it is riv nuts on the inside of that thing. Once you have the sandwich plate in and secured, you need to go ahead and secure your duct to the sandwich plate. It's 4 screws, so I'm gonna do that. Once you have the duct secure, you are now ready to put your interior panel and do your wiring. The wiring's right up here. It's got this cool little like retractable keychain holding the wires up. It was simple, but smart idea. So that's gonna be going on in the next video for me on the box trailer. I'll be doing the electrical one of the next videos. So once I get all the fuse box and all that in here, I can run my power wire and do all that, then install the cover plate. Now it's time for you to go install your Recpro AC unit, and I hope it comes out looking good as mine did. Good luck, and like and subscribe for future videos. I appreciate you for watching. Peace.